Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. Top of the morning. I just woke up actually. 10:30 if you call that top of the morning. Yes, I washed my face, just a splash of water. I came here because I had to do this video very quick. It is to inform everybody, as you have seen, some of you already have watched on my Facebook groups and on my community post tabs, that the Ishin Air Loader slogan giveaway contest is already up. It started today, that is 12th of this month, and will end on 7th, but some people already started posting the slogans. I mean, the contest start date is today, but some people already posted their slogans and took part in the giveaway contest starting yesterday, and they will be included in the contest. Don't worry about that. Now, all the details on how to take part, what to do, everything is clearly described. Check out the links in video descriptions. But in this video, I'm going to quickly describe about this contest, what this contest is, and how to take part, and how to make sure that you stay in this contest. So first off, the Ishin Air Loader slogan contest is about writing a slogan, a catchy, attractive, memorable phrase, just few words to describe the characteristics or to say something about this plane that we can use as a slogan, as a motto for this plane. Now you can post your slogan for Ishin Air Loader as a comment, in a comment on the Ishin Air Loader introduction video. The link is in the video description as well. So when you go to that video, you can write the slogan and hashtag in the comment and submit. That's all. However, there are rules for this slogan writing as well. Now, before we go to the rules, the first prize is the iFlight Alpha A65 FPV VTOL with Free Sky protocol, BNF to Free Sky, and the winner will actually get this iFlight Alpha A65 VTOL. Second and third place winners will actually get a shout out on AliShanMao channel's community post tab for their channel, for their Facebook, or for their message, or for their names. For the rules of this contest, of course, the contest is for the subscribers of my channel, which you're watching the video at, and for the members of particular Facebook groups. If you want to know which Facebook groups are those, links are in the video description. Go ahead and join those Facebook groups if you haven't joined yet. Now, the rules for the slogan are really very simple. Your slogan should be no more than 3 to 6 words. That's the limit of the words. So it has to stay within 3 to 6 words. And the slogan must be typed as a comment on the Ishin Air Loader video, which again, the link is in the video description. So you click on that link, you go to the video, and you type your slogan. Now think about it carefully, because winner will be only the one who wrote the best slogan for Ishin Air Loader, the upcoming ultra long range RC aircraft. So once you go to that video, type your slogan and type hashtag Air Loader slogan. So your slogan, Air Loader slogan. Check this example right here. This is how you will type a comment or your slogan in the video comment. Now, just make sure that your slogan does not have profanity, abuse, hostility, offensiveness, disrespect, or hostility against anyone, any product, or anything. And yes, do not copy the slogans from other brands or people. So what I'm trying to say is be responsible, be mindful, and just have fun together. And who knows, you're going to be the winner of the first prize. And of course, if anyone breaks the rules, it's simply gonna be banned from all the upcoming giveaway contests. Yes, there's a lot more coming your way, and a lot more giveaway contests are coming. If you want to know what is coming next on giveaway, check out these pictures at the end of this video. So stay tuned, and after 7 days, when the contest is over, I'll do another video or a live show, and we will pick the best winner. The question: if 2 or more people have written the same slogan, and we found that slogan was a winner, we will do a lucky draw among those 2 or more people with the same slogan, and obviously the lucky person will be the winner. So welcome to join this giveaway contest for Ishin Air Loader slogan. And now check this out, what's coming next for giveaway contests.